hopefully we're recording. I need to get around some of these trucks and catch up to a whole bunch of bikes. There's a couple of Ducati Hyper Motards up there. We're going to go up 60 to two wheels of Suchess. And I'm going to go 60 because that is just a more fun road. Those are great little cars up here, man. I'm gonna go play with these fellas. That's a Hyper Motard SP. I think the front one is too. There's a girl on one up there. I think that's also an SP. Yeah, see, not a good idea. Fucking clowns. Really? Wait till there's a straightaway. You don't pass in a goddamn turn. That could have been ugly. That's alright. I don't think they're going to be that fast, so we will catch up to them. Car coming. Yeah, Dean and Cam rode this thing and liked it. And they're both good riders and good taste, so I trust their judgment. That was, I don't know why she was waving on them to follow. That was absolutely, I mean, I pass over the double yellow when you can see ahead. It's a straightaway. You make a safe, clean pass. But you got someone coming around a blind turn, and there's several bikes fully in your lane coming at you, and you're passing a damn truck pulling a 30-foot trailer. So it's not like, oh, there's a car and it's just going to take 2 seconds to go past it. You have a 60-foot long, or whatever, barrier right there. Oh, this guy is not good in the turns. Look at how his body is leaning away from the turn, and he's all skittish. Yeah, dude, man, you're making me nervous. That guy's all over the place too, man. I mean, his corner speed's okay, but I have a feeling he's gonna dump it. And I do not want to be behind him when he does it. We're going up 60. We're gonna leave them behind, I think. Ah, damn it. Please don't let that car go straight. Fuck. dude. She can ride. This bike's way more nimble than the ZX14, but when you got to pass that many people in a short amount of time, that's where I'm kind of wishing I had the ZX14. Oh my god, these guys are squirrely. Mud. Why is there mud in the middle of the road? I'm getting by this guy. What are you doing? Aprilia. Sounds glorious, like all Aprilias do. Well, it's the first proper shakedown of this thing. Going up in the mountains on the nice twisty roads and being able to kind of get on it a little bit more. This bike is one of the most fantastic bikes up this road that I've ridden. The power's there, but it's not overwhelming. Cameron was right, you know, the thing wants to wheel all over the place, but when you're leaned over, it doesn't. So you can actually feel that IMU metering out power based on how much grip you've got. Ooh. This is really, really nice. And the suspension is not even set up. I gave it a couple clicks more in the back and 2 clicks less on the front. Otherwise, this is stock suspension, stock preload, stock everything. and it's just smooth and planted, precise. This is a goddamn fantastic bike, man. I see what the other reviewers are talking about now. It's like, the bike was always fun. It was a hooligan bike. It was a brute torque monster, but now it's got this level of the refinement in the handling department, and it's just absolutely beautiful. Very happy it's got a steering damper, because every time you give it some gas in second, that front wheel is just coming up. Absolutely telepathic handling. You know, sometimes you get on a naked bike and you're like, oh yeah, it's based on the sport bike, but it's going to be watered down, it's going to be neutered, it's going to be too much comfort, the handling is going to be a bit sluggish. Not this thing, man. The bike's out now. This, Street Fighters, Street Triple RSs, Speed Triple RSs, they are legit full-on freaking sport bikes with, and all they do is just put some humane ergonomics on it. These aren't the Suzuki Bandits or the Honda 919s, SV650s, or even the 1000 from back in the day. These are like legit full-on sport bikes. They may not have the top-end power of their fairing siblings, but you don't want that in a naked. You really don't. You can't ride, you can't really get on a bike going up that, a naked bike with 208 horsepower going up that road. You just can't. You can spend all your time at like 5% throttle, babying it. Electronics working overtime. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I beat Cam and Dean here by half an hour. We'll see how long it takes him to get here, but I'm gonna go hang out for a bit, chill, see if Ron and some of my people are here, and then we'll go from there. All right, everybody. I'll see you guys in a bit.